Good morning students. Here I am continuing some more programs of string. And the question is write a program to input a name and convert each letter to its opposite case. Print the original name and the modified name with suitable messages. Suppose we have input James Bond in this format. So the original name is James Bond as input and the new name is James Bond and each letter of the input is opposite here. So now we are making this program with the help of a scanner. So import java.util.star class demo or name of you can take any name void change to letter. This is the function integer x and character ch. We have to declare the object of class string na for input and name h for converting. So input a name and we are inputting in na equal in.nextInt. Here we are finding the length of na and the loop start from 0 to up to last. So the first character we are extracting here, if that character is in capital letter, so the condition is if ch is greater equal a and ch is less than equal capital Z, then we will add 32, because 32 when we will add in ASCII value of a capital letter, so this will become a small letter. Else if the character is greater equal small a and less than equal small z, then we will minus 32. Then this character we will add in the blank name variable. So this will repeatedly, or if the any character is in a special symbol or a space, that will be added as it is. And after that we are printing here input name equal na, that is the input data original and the converted name is name. And this is the next question. Write a program to input a sentence and print total number of words present in this sentence and number of spaces. So till input the program will be same. We can input with the help of a scanner or using a parameter. So in this program we are inputting a data with the parameter public void show function and string str is our input. So the sentence will be input in this and this should be included spaces. W is for word count and SP is for spaces and CH is for extract a single character. First we are finding the length and the loop is execute from 0 to length I plus plus. So the first character when we will extract, we will check if the character is equal to space, then word plus plus. Means when the space will become, then one word will be completed, or word is all or space is also plus plus. Or when the space is not come, so this will repeatedly executed. At the end we are printing number of spaces which is stored in SP and the number of word is W plus 1. If there is a one space in a sentence, means there is a two word, because only one space between two word. And the next question is here, write a program to input a string and print the total number of capital vowels and total number of small vowels from the string using a switch case. So there is the mention that we have to check using a switch case. So we are inputting with the help of scanner and the main logic is start from here. So the loop starts from the 0 till length and extract a single character switch of ch. So if the character is a capital A, then capital vowel will be plus plus, then break, or if the capital E, then I, then O, then U. So we will increase the value of capital vowel. After that here we are increasing the value of a small vowel. If the If the extract character is small a or small e, then I, O and U, then we will increase the value of a small vowel. So when all the characters will be extract, or when the string is terminated, this will come out from the loop, and after this we are printing total number of capital vowels equal capital vowel and total numbers of small vowels equal SM vowels.